Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the fan, safety first. Once done, remove the guard or clip housing so you can reach the pivot and motor mount. Inspect the clip mount, screws, and spacer. Look for stripped threads or worn bushings. Make sure you have a small Phillips, adjustable wrench, light oil or silicone spray, and a 1/4 or 3/16 washer handy. Taking photos now helps you reassemble with correct orientation and ensures you won't misplace small parts. You now address the wobble by tightening loose fasteners, but be careful not to strip plastic threads. Tighten until snug and test. If the clip pivot or bushing is worn, remove the shaft and install a replacement bushing or add a 0.5 1 mm washer to center the hub. Once aligned, add a drop of light oil to the pivot and motor shaft. Spin the blade by hand to distribute lubricant. Make sure the clip clamp closes fully and the motor sits square in its mount before reassembling. Reassemble the guard and tighten screws in a cross pattern so the housing seats evenly. Then plug in and run the fan at low speed to evaluate wobble. If vibration remains, remove the blade and inspect for warping. Swap blades or try balancing by affixing small pieces of tape to the lighter side until smooth. Make sure bearings aren't noisy. Rough bearings indicate replacement. If you still see wobble after balancing, replace the clip assembly or motor mount. This often resolves persistent misalignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.